Hi everyone, it's Lorena from Tefal, and today we're going to make a really quick and easy Aussie favorite, fish and chips in the Tefal air fryer. Now this is just so quick and easy. I've got some potatoes that I have cut and rinsed and dried off, and then I've just tossed them in just 1 tablespoon of olive oil and some salt and pepper. And then I've made a beautiful tartar sauce, and in there we've got some mayonnaise, gherkins, dill, some seeded mustard, lemon, and Worcestershire sauce. And then we've got, look, I just went really easy today, and I just got store-bought breaded hockey, which are one of my favorites. And we're gonna throw those in with the chips all together in the air fryer. It's just gonna be really nice and easy. So today we're gonna be using the Tefal Ultimate Fry Deluxe to make our really quick fish and chips. I've got the temperature there at 200, and I'm going to set the time to 20 minutes. And now I'm going to use the internal basket. Now the Ultimate Fry Deluxe comes with 2 baskets. You have an internal one with the non-stick coating on the inside, so ideal for fish and snack food and things like that. And then you've got your larger basket, which is perfect for your bigger cuts of meat, whole chickens, roasting lots of vegetables, things like that. So now I'm going to pop the potatoes in our basket, and I'm going to pop the basket into the device, and we're just going to press start. So I'm going to cook those chips for just 10 minutes on 200 degrees, and then I'm going to add the hockey after the 10 minutes, and then it will all cook together. So in under 20 minutes we are going to have a perfectly crispy air fried fish and chips. Alright, so our chips are halfway done. So just give them a bit of a shake. They're getting nice and golden. And then at this point, I'm going to add the hockey just on the top, place it straight onto the top, rearrange a few things, and then pop it back and cook it, air fry it for another 10 minutes. So our fish and chips are finished. Look at that beautiful, crispy results. So those only took 10 minutes to air fry, and those are beautiful chips. I'm going to serve them in a little basket. But so quick and easy, 20 minutes all up, perfectly air fried chips with only 1 tablespoon of oil. It's nice and healthy and delicious.